Hey friends and heart makers, I wanted to show you guys how I kind of set up the heart painting station. What I do is take one of my templates and I trace it out on to some fabric, and then I basically put a bunch of layers together so I can cut a bunch of them at the same time. And it really good because it does shift when you cut. But then I just take it over to my painting station, and I do have some sort of idea about what I'm gonna do as far as like for myself. Going in, there's certain colors that I want to make sure that I create and include. And I just kind of let myself freestyle it because I don't want to put myself too much into a box. And I have fun and enjoy the process because for me, sometimes that's really difficult. So painting allows me the freedom to do that. And that's why I really enjoy painting the fabric, because sometimes I can just disconnect and allow myself to create something. When I go back and look at it, I just totally fall in love with it in a different way. This one I ended up putting on the back of my sweatshirt just as a reminder to anybody that might be standing behind me that they are loved. And these are all the hearts that I ended up with. And if you're ready to order yours, go over to alwaysshineyourheart.com. Thanks for watching.